In the heart of the densest ecosystems on the planet, where sunlight barely penetrates the treetops, something extraordinary silently flourishes. It's not just life, it's nature wielding its own power, adapted to the delicate balance between shade, moisture, and light. This is the world of Bulbasaur. Tropical and temperate forests cover almost 30% of the Earth's surface. They harbor some of the most complex biological systems ever observed. Every sound, every movement, is part of a living skill that functions in constant equilibrium. It is in this dense, humid, and unpredictable environment that rare species find space to exist. And today, we observe one of them. Bulbasaur is born, like many other forest organisms, small, vulnerable, and always attentive to its surroundings. From the first moments of life, it learns that surviving means observing before acting. But there is something that immediately sets it apart. A living seed grows on its back, permanently attached to its body. This structure is not just a part of it. It defines its entire existence. Like plants, Bulbasaur depends on sunlight to sustain its biological processes. The seed acts as a photosynthetic organ, absorbing light energy and converting it into essential nutrients. This type of plant-animal symbiosis is not known in conventional Earth biology. Yet, within the forest ecosystem, it proves extremely efficient. Bulbasaur is not correct. It doesn't waste energy. Every movement is calculated. When moving through the forest, Bulbasaur keeps its body close to the ground. This posture reduces exposure to predators and facilitates access to environmental moisture. It has recently moved away from areas where shade and light coexist, places where its seed can absorb energy without risk of overheating or dehydration. Its behavior reveals a patient organism adapted to a slower pace, but extremely resilient. Encounters with other species are rare. When they do happen, Bulbasaur prefers to observe from a distance. There is no immediate aggression, only assessment. Defensive movements, such as the vine whip, are used only when the threat is real. This restraint indicates a high level of energy control and a clear survival strategy. In the forest, fighting unnecessarily can be fatal. Over time, the seed on Bulbasaur's back begins to change. Its surface becomes thicker, the internal veins more visible. Each cycle of light and rest strengthens the connection between the organism and the plant. This gradual growth is the clearest sign of successful adaptation to the environment. As the day draws to a close, Bulbasaur remains motionless, absorbing the last rays of light, completely integrated into the ecosystem that surrounds it. In a world still full of mysteries, Bulbasaur reminds us that even the most extraordinary life forms follow simple rules: balance, adaptation, and respect for the environment. And perhaps it invites us to imagine what other silent creatures nature still keeps hidden.